Hello everyone. Welcome to SeedBasket channel. Today I am going to tell you some important gardening tips that every gardener should know. Like in farm, we can grow anything in our balcony or terrace with basic knowledge and minimal care, and most of the vegetables can grow throughout the year. Grow organic with Desi or native seeds. Soil is a major source of nutrients needed by plants for growth. Perfect potting mix contain red soil 40%, vermicompost 40%, and coco peat 20%, and handful of neem cake. Basic rule for sowing: depth is twice the size of seed. Soak the seeds overnight for better germination of seeds. Germination may take place in 3 to 18 days depending upon different varieties. Keep the soil moisture till the seeds get germinate. Sprinkle water using watering cans or manually using your hands. Don't use pipes or mugs. Plants caring. Most vegetables need at least 3 to 6 hours sunlight, but some plants like leafy veggies will grow in less light even under shade. Check the plants regularly and spray neem oil and panchagaya to keep the insects away. Include few flower plants in your vegetable garden, which attract beneficial insects and act as natural pest repels. Use shade net to protect the plants in hot summer. Leafy vegetables start yielding in 20 to 30 days, and vegetables will take 45 to 60 days from the date of germination. Add handful of compost for every 10 days for each pot to make sure soil has enough nutrition to grow plants. Use eggshells, banana peels, used coffee or tea powder, washed rice water as organic fertilizer for garden plants.